Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting immediately. Connect your computer by Ethernet for stability or stay on Wi-Fi if needed, then open a browser and type the router IP address into the address bar. Once the admin page loads, log in using the router's admin credentials. Check the device label or your saved notes if you don't remember them. Make sure you're in the router's control panel, not a modem status page. This is where you'll change wireless settings and create a new, stronger Wi-Fi password. Navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings in the router interface and pick the network you want to edit, often listed by band and SSID. Once there, set encryption to WPA2 personal or WPA3 if supported. That protects traffic better than older WEP. Type a strong passphrase. Use 12+ characters, letters, numbers, and symbols. And if you want, update the SSID so devices recognize the new network name. After changes, click Save or Apply, and note that some routers will temporarily disconnect clients. Once you save the new Wi-Fi password, the router may reboot. Allow that process to complete. Then reconnect your computer and other devices using the new SSID and passphrase, making sure to delete or forget the old network entry so the device prompts for credentials. Finally, secure the admin account with a different password and consider exporting or backing up your router configuration. If you can't access the admin page, try a hardware reset only as a last resort or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.